Hello everyone. So welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will cover one of the Scrum metrics, which is velocity, a very basic one. And this is going to be a very brief video, which will just cover the velocity aspect of Scrum. So what is Scrum Team's velocity? So in Agile Scrum process, we define team's velocity as average amount of work in story points that a team can perform or deliver in a particular iteration or a sprint. So that means if we say there is a team whose velocity is 10 story points of work, that means this particular team can deliver 10 story points of work in a given iteration. So if we further understand from an example, so let's say there is a team A who has completed 18 story points, 19 story points, and 17 story points of work in last three sprints or iterations. So then we can calculate the team's velocity as an average. So that will be 18 plus 19 plus 17 divided by 3. That means 18 story points of work. So that simply denotes this number. There is no guarantee that this number should be high or should be low. All it depends is what team is committing, how much work they are delivering on an average. So this simply means this particular team A can deliver 18 story points of work in a iteration or a sprint. Now, if we consider further notes on velocity, so like we have already understood, like velocity is the average amount of work which a team can deliver in a particular iteration. And this particular matrix is specific to a team. I mean, we cannot compare, if we have 4 or 5 teams working on a same product line, we cannot say, okay, this team is doing better because their velocity is high. So this is specific to a team, and it is advisable by the process from process perspective that we should not use this particular matrix to compare team performance. As if there are two teams and one of the teams is saying my velocity is 20 story points, other is saying my velocity is 15 story points, so we cannot compare because the kind of work they are doing, the kind of experience or skill set each of the team members, that varies. And also team should align what is the purpose of using this metrics, and how they want to use this particular metrics in Scrum. So where to use velocity? So team's velocity should be used in planning. So if we are saying there is a team whose velocity is 20 story points of work, and they are just starting a new sprint, so everyone in the team is aware that they can complete 20 story points of work, right? And if they are planning for a release, this will also help them to understand how many iterations it will take for completing a given amount of work in story points. So this particular matrix for the same team should be used in the planning. So thanks everyone. Thank you for watching this brief video. Thank you.